Everyone, welcome back to the map of mathematics. In this video we are going to solve this nice algebra problem, and here we have n plus 3 to the power of 4 plus n plus 1 to the power of 4 is equals to 82. The very first step we are going to do is, here first I can rewrite these terms as, here you have n plus 3, we can write it as n plus 2 plus 1 and its whole power 4, and plus here we write this as n plus 2 and minus 1 and its whole power 4 is equals to 82. And now you can see that we have the common term on both of the factors in the left hand side, which is n plus 2, so that now we will take the n plus 2 is equals to some other variable, which is x. So we take x is equals to n plus 2 here. So when you can put x is equals to n plus 2, so this expression will becomes in the form of x plus 1 to the power of 4, because this is equals to x. Similarly, this is also equals to x, and plus here you have x minus 1 to the power of 4 is equals to 82. After this step we will rewrite this equation in the form of x plus 1 whole square and its whole power 2, plus here you write x minus 1 whole square and its whole power 2 is equals to 82. And now you see that we will apply here the two nice formulas, which is a plus b whole square and a minus b whole square. So you know that a plus b whole square is equals to a square plus 2 times of ab plus b square, and a minus b is equals to a square minus 2 times of ab plus b square. We will use here these two nice formulas so that you can get the output in the form of, after applying these formulas, first I can apply the formula here and you get x squared plus 2x plus 1 and its whole squared, plus similarly you can apply the formula here and you get x squared minus 2x plus 1 and its whole square is equals to 82. After that you can see here we can again apply here another nice formula, which is in the form of, if you have a plus b plus c whole square, it is equals to a squared plus b squared plus c squared plus 2 times of AB plus 2 times of BC plus 2 times of CA. Now we can use this nice formula on both of the above terms, so that after applying this formula on both of these terms you can get the output in the form of x to the power, first I can solve this one, so you get x to the power of 4 plus 4x square plus 1 and plus 2 times of 2 times of AB. So the 2 times of A is 2 times of AB, so 2 times of A is x square and B is 4, so 2 2s are 4 and it will becomes 4x cubed, and plus 2bc, and the value of b is 2x and the value of a is 1, so 2 2s are 4x, and plus 2ca, and the 2ca is equals to 2x square. Similarly we can open this formula here, and plus first you have x squared, it is equals to x to the power of 4, and plus minus 2 the square of minus 2x is equals to minus 4 plus 4x square plus 1, and after that you have 2ab, the value of a is x squared, the value of b is minus 2x, so you get minus 4x cubed, and minus plus 2bc, and the value of b is minus 2x and c is 1, and you get minus 4x, and plus 2ca So the value of a is x square and the value of c is 1, and you get 2x square, and this whole is equals to 82. After that, you can focus here all the terms, and you can see that this plus 4x cubed minus 4x cubed are gone, and this plus 4x and minus 4x are also gone. After that, you will combine this x4 and this x4, and after that you combine this 4x square, 2x square, 4x square, and 2x square. So now I can write here, first you combine x4 plus x4, you get 2 times of x to the power of 4. After that you combine 4x square plus 2x square is equals to 6x square, and plus 4 is 10x square, and plus 2 is 12x square. After that we have 1 plus 1 is equals to 2, and whole is equals to 82. And now we divide each side by 2, because here you see that 2 be the common term on both sides, so that we can divide here both sides by 2. When you divide both sides by 2, you will get x to the power of 4 plus 6 x square plus 1 minus 41 is equals to 0, because here you have 2 4s are 8, 2 1s are 2, these 2 are gone, these 2 6 are 12, and these are also gone, and you get x to the power of 4 plus 6x square plus 1 minus 41 is equals to 0. After this step we will simplify these terms, and you get x to the power of 4 plus 6x square and minus 40 is equals to 0, and this is the fourth order equation. And now we can easily make the factors of this fourth order equation. So here we need any two numbers whose product is 40 and whose sum is 6, so that I can write here x to the power of 4. I can write this 6x square as plus 10x square minus 4x square, because 10 minus 4 is equals to plus 6x square minus 40 is equals to 0. And now you see that here we take common x square on the first two terms, and you get x squared plus 10, and we take common minus 4 on these two remaining terms, and you get x squared plus 10 is equals to 0. And now you focus on both of the terms, and you see that we have the common term is x squared plus 10, and we get x squared minus 4 is equals to 0. So here we have two cases. The first case is I can take x square minus 4 is equals to 0, and the other case is we take x square plus 10 is equals to 0. So after this step we can just find the values of x on both of the terms. So in this case you get x square is equals to 4, and in this case you get x square is equals to 10. So here we get x is equals to plus minus 2, and here you get x is equals to, because this is the minus 10, so you get plus minus square root 10 and iota. And now we back substitute the values of x, and here I can write that these two cases, which is x is equals to 2 and x is equals to minus 2, and the other two cases are, here you have x is equals to square root of 10 iota, and x is equals to minus square root of 10 into iota. And now we will back substitute the value of x, and in the start of the question we will take x is equals to n plus 2. So we back substitute here. So when you can put n is equals to 2 here, you get n plus 2 is equals to 2, and in this case you get the value of n is equals to 0. Similarly, you can put here the value of x here. It is n plus 2 is equals to minus 2, and in this case you get the value of x is equals to, sorry, the value of n is equals to minus 4. And now you put the value of x here, it is n plus 2 is equals to square root of 10 iota, and here you get n is equals to minus 2 plus square root of 10 iota. So this is the factor of third factor. Similarly, when you put here, you get n plus 2 is equals to minus square root of 10 iota, and here you have the value of n is minus 2 minus square root of 10 iota. So these are the fourth roots of the given equation, and this is the our final answer. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.